Hello everyone, let's start the video. So for this one, take the front portion of your hair, tie it nicely and then take the remaining hairs and tie it nicely with the help of the elastic. Now start making the bun out of it and then wrap it around and attach it properly with the help of a hairpin. Now take the remaining hairs and then wrap it around and then attach it nicely. It will look like this. It's done. For the next one, take the section of your hair, tie it nicely with the help of the elastic and then pull it inside out. Now divide the remaining hairs into two sections and then tie it properly. Now from the another side, pull it inside out very nicely and gently and repeat the exact same process on another side too. It will be looking like this. Now take the remaining hairs and then again repeat the exact same process we have done earlier. Once you are complete with that, and then it will look like this. Now take the remaining hairs and then tie it nicely with the help of the elastic and then attach it properly and then fix it. For the next one, take the hairs and then tie it nicely with the help of the elastic and divide the hairs into two sections. It will look like this. Now make a small bun out of it and then take a bun clip, attach it nicely. Now take the remaining hairs and then again tie it nicely with the help of the elastic and then start making the bun out of it with the help of a hair clip. It will be looking like this. It's done. For the next one, take the section of your hair, tie it nicely and then pull it inside out. Now divide the hairs into two sections and then take the first section out of it and then pull it inside out from the alternative side. It will be looking like this. Now take the remaining hairs and start making the braids out of it and then tie it nicely with the help of the elastic at the end. It will look like this. Now attach it properly, accessorize it. For the next one, make a ponytail and then take a hair clip and attach it nicely. It will be looking like this. Now divide the hairs into two sections and then start making the bun out of it on the top and then attach it. It's done. For the next one, take the front portion of your hair and then divide the hairs into three sections and start making the braids out of it as shown in the video. Now take the smaller section from the remaining hairs or from the side and then keep adding it to the braids very nicely and gently. Keep doing the exact same process again and again so that it will look like this. Once you are complete with that, tie it nicely with the help of the elastic at the end and then pull out the hairs from the braids. It will be looking like this. Now repeat the exact same process on another side too and then tie it all together and it's done. Thanks for watching.